You know, for years, the advice was find one winning ad and run it into the ground, run it forever and repeat it over and over. And that advice is the fastest way to stall the growth of a clinic right now. Here's what's changed and why the clinics who are silently betting on one message are slowly getting left behind. The old way was to test 3 or 4 ads, find one hook winner, and then run that hook over and over and over. And yes, you might have to change environments or change outfits, but the general message was to run the hook forever. Now that process worked before, but it doesn't work now. Because one hook only speaks to one section of your market. And your market is not one person. The patient who's experiencing the exact problems that you help solve is framing their problem tons of different ways in their head. And it varies person to person. So if you only run one angle, you only reach one version of them. Now there's a second thing that's also flipped, and most owners have it backwards. You don't keep reusing the winner. You learn from the winner. The winning angle becomes the blueprint for the next 20 scripts. But here's the secret. You never actually use the same hook. You use different hooks, different positions, and different angles all around the same position. And by running so many different angles and reaching these different pockets of people who have very intensive emotional drivers with the particular angle that you run, you end up getting more qualified patients into the business who are easier to convert because the ad resonated with them at a much deeper level than one hook could ever do. We break down what's actually working in clinical advertising every week. Follow along and we'll keep you a step ahead.